consistent AI influencer with just one click, using a single tool that does it all. Have your model appear in a private jet, travel to London, go on adventures, or look glamorous at the beach. The possibilities are endless, and the potential is massive. Many popular Instagram accounts are making thousands of dollars each month by using this same method. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do the same, step by step. Almost all the methods you'll find on YouTube are complicated, using multiple tools that can be exhausting and time-consuming. After spending days searching for the best solution, I found APOB AI. This amazing platform has everything you need to get started. With APOB AI, you can create AI influencers, generate consistent images, swap faces in videos, and more. It's all available through this free tool. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. Click on the link in the description to sign up for free. After registering, you'll receive 80 credits for free, which renew automatically each day. Once logged in, you'll see an option to create an AI model with just one click. It's that simple to begin. The first option is to upload a reference image. This gives the AI a starting point to work from, allowing you to influence the final result based on existing styles or looks you like. Alternatively, you can use the AI's built-in APOB system to generate completely original designs. This is the method we'll be exploring today. The APOB system allows the AI to create unique influencer models from scratch, giving you fresh and innovative results. It's a great way to develop distinct digital personalities for your projects. Both methods have their merits, but using the APOB system can be particularly useful if you're looking for something truly original. To begin, we can customize our AI model in various ways. First, we choose the gender. For our purposes, let's select woman. Next, we'll specify the country of origin for our model and set the age range. Let's go with Italian, 25, to find the perfect fit. For eye color, we have a range of options to choose from. For a truly captivating look, let's pick green, which will add a mesmerizing sparkle to her gaze. For her hairstyle, we chose the blunt bob. After setting these details, we'll click Generate to let APOB work its magic. And voila! Look at that! She looks absolutely stunning. Her deep emerald green eyes glisten with allure, framed by luxurious dark lashes. Her chic, wavy auburn bob adds a modern touch, perfectly complementing her flawless porcelain skin. If you're not completely thrilled with the first result, you can always click Reset to generate another model until you find the perfect one. Once we're satisfied with her appearance, we'll click Select this image to set it as our reference. When we've found the ideal image, we'll move on to naming and detailing our model. Let's name her Isabella and provide a detailed description. Isabella could be described as a strikingly beautiful model with enchanting emerald green eyes that captivate and mesmerize, a chic auburn bob that frames her delicate porcelain features, and a graceful presence that leaves a lasting impression. Once that's done, we click Continue and move on. Here, you'll see the option to either make your model public, meaning anyone in the community can admire your creation, or keep it private. For our purposes, let's go with private by turning off the public visibility. Now comes the fun part, customizing our model further. APOB system offers many options to tweak our model. In the Complete Set section, we have a template to adjust your image. We can have her in various locations like London, Turkey, India, and Athens. Let's select the London option. Click on this model, then Generate. Wow, APOB has created 4 consistent images of Isabella in Trafalgar Square. Amazing. We can also place Isabella at India Gate in New Delhi. Select this model and click Generate. It's extremely consistent with our previous image. Now let's give her a winter outfit. Select this model and click Generate. This is exactly what we need. Isabella in different settings, all consistent with our vision. You can see the facial resemblance with the previous images is insane. See how Isabella stands confidently on the rooftop, her auburn hair and gray coat against the city skyline. Next, we can add more detail in the Expert section using text prompts to create specific scenarios. For instance, we can have Isabella in a private jet, hitting the gym, on an outdoor adventure, or relaxing by the beach. For the prompt, we ask APOB to imagine Isabella, a stunning model with emerald green eyes and a chic auburn bob, elegantly seated in a luxurious private jet. She gazes out of the window, exuding sophistication in a serene and exclusive atmosphere. For the negative prompt, we don't want low resolution, blurry image, poor lighting. Then click Generate. Let's wait as APOB fetches us our image. Wow. Look at how Isabella's chic auburn bob and emerald green dress create a stunning and sophisticated presence on the jet. This is incredible. APOB truly excels at delivering a consistent look. You can continue this process for all your scenarios. Imagine her at the gym, on an outdoor adventure, at the beach, and more. Next up, let's move on to the image to video feature. This allows you to convert your image into a video, or you can even upload an image you've already created. To try this out, click here to select from our previously generated images of Isabella. Let's go with this one. Open it, then click Generate. Just look at that, guys. This is absolutely amazing, but that's not all. There's also a section called Talking Avatar that lets us make our model speak. To do this, we'll need to record whatever we want our model to say. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. I've linked it in the description for your convenience. Head over to 11 Labs, click on the side menu on the left, and search for the voice library. You'll find a variety of voice options. To keep it simple, click on the filter button, and a bar will appear where you can select the gender, age, language, and even accent. Or, if you want to get creative, you can even clone your own voice. For our purpose, let's go back to the voice library and choose the voice named Sophia. She sounds like a great fit for our model, Isabella. We select this voice and give her something to say. Once that's done, we head back to APOB, upload Isabella here, then our 11 Labs voice over here, upload the audio clip, and finally click Generate. Let's listen to Isabella as she speaks.
Hi, I'm Isabella. As an influencer, I love sharing my journey in fashion, beauty, and travel. My goal is to inspire you to embrace.
Wow, isn't that amazing? Now it's time to create some dancing videos of our model. You can have her dance to any move you want. To do this, find a video of someone dancing. Platforms like TikTok or Instagram are great for this. Once you've downloaded the video of your choice, head over to the Video Face Swappin' section. This mind-blowing tool lets you swap the face on any video with the face of your model. So we upload the video and choose the Ultra option for the best possible quality. Finally, click Generate, then download the video. If you look closely, you'll see the face has definitely changed. You can clearly tell the difference between the original and the swapped video. I love how this turned out. Now that we've successfully built our model in various forms and settings, it's time for the fun part, setting up our accounts to start cashing in. First things first, let's get you set up on Instagram. Trust me, you'll want to maximize your reach on this platform. Once your accounts are ready, head back to APOB to select the perfect image for your profile. This is where everything comes together, setting the stage for your success. Customize your bio. Feeling stuck? No worries. Take a peek at some of the top influencers in your niche for inspiration. But here's the secret sauce. Use ChatGPT to remix it into your own unique style. You want to stand out, not blend in. Next, head back to APOB to download an image for your first post. Before downloading, don't forget to hit the upscale button for extra crisp quality. Your followers will definitely notice the difference. For the caption, keep it short and sweet. For our selected picture, something like effortless elegance would work perfectly. Now let's focus on creating a cohesive aesthetic for your Instagram. Pick a color scheme or vibe that really speaks to you and stick with it. This will make your profile look super polished and professional. Keep at it. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and watch your audience grow. Before you know it, you might even start seeing some brand deals slide into your DMs. Let's talk about getting started with APOB AI. The good news is, you can begin for free. They give you 80 credits every day to experiment with, which is great for testing the waters and seeing what you can create. If you find yourself wanting more, their paid plans are pretty reasonable. They start at just $5 per month, which gives you access to more features and credits. It's a solid deal considering the tools you're getting. For those of you eager to get going, I've got something special. Use my exclusive link in the video description. Use my code when you sign up and you'll get a 15% discount. It's a nice little bonus to help you get started. Whether you stick with the free daily credits or opt for a paid plan, APOB AI offers a lot of value. Why not give it a try and see what kind of AI influencer you can bring to life? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you in the next one.